Guys, we have poor Lexus with a DTC code P0172, and number one problem might be right here. You can see how dusty it is inside, and the air filter has a lot of gunk in it. So this is what's clogging the muff sensor. We already pulled and cleaned it right here. Also, this should be all the rubber thing, but they're rigid like a plastic. You can hear it. All those hoses should be really soft, but they are rigid and plastic. So sometimes we need to remove all the intake and replace all the hoses to fix that problem. But if you have this body of the Lexus, which is Lexus GS450h, it's a hybrid model, but it will be the same probably on the regular one with the same engine type. So check this guy. This is sometimes fails the muff sensor, but also check your filter. That will be number one.